Does anyone know what we're supposed to be talking about in this meeting?
No, I thought you knew.
I think we're supposed to discuss the results of the migration project.
Are we?
Well, you are the one who set up the meeting, aren't you?
Well, if that's the case, I'm not needed for this meeting. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, wait. Oh, no, man. I just remembered why I invited Dave to the meeting. All right, I gotta get him back on.
What a mess.
And then you would plug it in around the back side of the device.
I'm having a really hard time visualizing what you're describing.
Yeah, me too.
If you start here and move around this way.
Come on, man. What are you talking about?
Okay, 4 words.
Jeez.
First word, 3 syllables.
Yeah.
All right, here, let me show you.
Oh, okay.
I got it. That makes total sense.
Yes, thank you for that.
All right. Now that we get that all settled, let's move on. So I was thinking that we should probably begin the process of...
Hey guys, sorry. I had to step away for a while. What are we talking about?
It's fine. We were just discussing the details of the technical meeting.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Anyway, as I was saying, I think for the next steps we should probably start...
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Michael. Did we decide upon a date?
5th.
All right.
Yeah, so Nick, as I was saying, you should probably begin reaching out to...
What time?
What?
On the 5th? What time?
1 p.m.
Got it. All right, thanks. Do we have an agenda?
Come on!